Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to stop WhatsApp from automatically downloading audio files on your PC. If you've noticed that voice messages or audio clips keep saving to your computer without your permission, this quick guide will help you turn that off in just a few easy steps. Let's get them started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it's open, look over to the left-hand sidebar. That's where you'll find the main menu options. From there, click on Settings. This is where you can control most of WhatsApp's features and preferences. Next, within the Settings menu, click on Chats. This section manages everything related to your conversations, including message appearance and media behavior. Inside the Chat section, you'll see an option called Media Auto Download. Go ahead and click on it. This is the feature that automatically saves images, videos, and audio files to your PC whenever you receive them. While it can be convenient, it can also quickly fill up your storage or clutter your downloads folder. Now, to stop audio files from being downloaded automatically, simply uncheck the audio box. That's the key step. By doing this, WhatsApp will no longer autosave voice notes or audio messages. Instead, you'll have full control. You can choose to download them manually only when you need to. Once you've unchecked the audio box, the setting updates instantly. There's no need to restart WhatsApp or confirm anything else. From now on, any audio message you receive will stay in the chat until you decide to download it yourself. And that's it. You've just learned how to prevent audio auto download on WhatsApp's latest PC update. It's a small adjustment that keeps your device cleaner, saves you space, and gives you more control over your media. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.